my goodness, friends, we are at the end of our beginning knitter series. We have learned all about yarn and needles. We've learned how to cast on and how to knit and purl and decrease and increase. All we have left is to learn how to bind off our knitting. So essentially, this is learning how to get the stitches off the needles without them unraveling on you. It is super simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now.
For a basic bind off, really what we're going to do is we're going to knit 2 stitches and then lift the first stitch or pass the first stitch over the second stitch. So we're going to knit 1 stitch and knit the second stitch and pass the first stitch over. And now that we've already got 1 stitch on this needle, we only need to knit 1 more. So now we've got 2 and lift the first stitch over the top. If you are an English knitter, it is exactly the same. Knit a stitch and pass the first stitch over the top. Knit a stitch and pass the first stitch over the top.